Okay. Today I'm going to give you a task for time series analysis. In our previous class, we have done some analysis in R with the help of AI. Today we are going to perform time series analysis in R with AI. So again, first you need to ask three questions. What is time series analysis? Question number two, why do we perform time series analysis? Question number three, types of time series analysis. And last question, how to arrange data for time series analysis. So today you will do work on your site, and when you face any issue, any hurdle, or any type of error, let me know. I will share your screen and will resolve your issue. You can generate sample data related to your field of study. So if you have any question, you are allowed to ask. If clear, start your work on your site. Yes, Alexander, you can share your screen. And other participant, please perform time series analysis with the help of AI and also try to generate time series data related to your field of study. Alexander, share again. Okay, no, please let me know where is this.
Yeah, I generated the script. I generated the scripts and I ran the scripts, but I think along the way there were some issues with specifically with the generating the files,
Okay,
the Word file for the
run
class
code from zero. Run code from step number 1.
from chart number 1. Okay, let me go back. Okay, from 0 from here, right? That's it from here.
Okay. Next. Next. Please wait. First, you need to check you have this data set. Name linear regression in screen number 3. Not.
Okay,
So first you
not
need
there.
to import this data.
Okay,
So first, please
let me,
first clean your screen number 3. Click on cancel button and clean screen number 3.
oh, okay, let me,
Click on cancel button and clean screen number 3.
clean here.
Okay, now import this data. Now run codes from zero, from library. Yes, please run. All is okay. Okay. Yes, please run next step. You need to wait until red dot disappear.
Continue or wait?
They will run all these codes one by one. There is no any issue.
There's no
Like that.
issue. Keep running.
It's not issue, it's warning message. Ignore it. Move to next step.
You gave error here.
Stop here. It's showing you there is no package called font liberation. You need to install this package from screen number 4.
Package
From screen number 4.
from script number 4.
Yes.
Yeah. Boom.
Please come on screen number 4, click on packages button.
Mm,
You need to install font liberation.
boom. Boom.
Here is package name. No, here is package name.
Boom. Yeah, package.
Please
Boom is here.
install font liberation. I haven't circled. Click on install button
Click on install. Okay.
and read last line of screen number 2. There is no package called font liberation. Last line. Please read last line of screen number 2.
Okay. Which you see, there's no package called front
Liberation. So you need to install
liberations.
liberations.
Liberation. Okay.
Yes. Font liberation. Font liberation.
Front. Front.
FO, not FR. Correct spelling.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, now again do libraries. Okay, next. 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 Okay, now run one by one.
Mm.
Next. Okay, next. 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 Okay.
Mm. Okay, I think
Now
that's
you
all the
have
script.
now you have done all steps. You need to check its
Yes.
report. Open your working directory folder, but you are out of working directory.
Yeah, I don't think I have a working directory folders
But
here. That's
you are out
proposed.
of working directory. You have not opened working directory yet. But don't open now. Wait, please. Wait. You
Okay.
need to click on file button
5, yeah.
in screen number 4.
Screen number 4, 5. Okay.
Find here. Simple linear regression report. Find
Yeah.
here. Please find in this list. Simple linear
Oh, okay.
regression report.
Okay. Search.
Find here, scroll down, read and find. Here is
Yeah,
here.
symbol. Yeah, here he said.
Open this.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now perform time series analysis. So
Now
your
I
screen.
can I still open working directory?
Yes, no, you can open. So when you want to
Yeah.
start any task, first open working directory. Otherwise, you will be
Okay.
unable to find where are your plots, where are your analysis.
Okay. So open new project.
New project.
You say
Here.
save. Click save.
Yes.
New directory.
Version. New directory. New project.
Mm, 2, 1, 2, 8.
Click on browse button. Click on browse button. Choose desktop.
Choose desktop. Desktop. This is desktop. Okay. Open.
Okay, now save here. Click open button. Yes, now create project. Okay, now perform time series analysis.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
thank you.
Mm.